Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. New Cardano video today, up 2.82%, and we are actually bullish today, guys. We are bullish, we are looking good and dandy, and so we're gonna talk about that. Before we start, if you want to learn technical analysis, if you want to learn what I'm doing on the charts over here, there's a link down below for the technical analysis crash course. So if that's your thing, you might check it out. That said, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with Cardano right now. And it's looking nice, guys, looking nice. So these two white lines over here, that was what we drew like 2 days ago, because yesterday was no video at all. And we said we don't want to fall below 166 and we want to get above 176. And you see this yellow line, that's the 50 moving average. And you see here, when we made the video, we actually fell through the 50 moving average and through the 166 line, but we got right back above it again. And then we fell through that again and right back up again. Like 2 times we fell and back. That's 2 rejections of the support of the drop. That means like support held 2 times, because usually when you break something and you try to go back up again, because every time something is broken it goes down to retest. If you manage to get back up again, it's all good, right? But if you fall through something and then you go back and you hit resistance and then fall through, that's a rejection of the that's the breakout actually of the support. So over here we broke through, but we came back in. We broke through, but we came 2 times in a row, and that's a very bullish sign, guys. That's a very bullish sign. So right now this support here at 166 it was holding, and right now we are back above the 50 moving average. You can see that the 50 moving average is really important average to hold, and you can see here that right now we are above the 50 moving average. We went above it, we went down, tried to break it on downside, and that's what I'm saying. These retests are happening in all kinds of lines, and you can see here we went up, we retested the 50 moving average, we held it, even though we went down with wicks, we are still above it. So we are actually holding the 50 moving average to the upside, and I'm really confident right now that we are going to try for the 176 resistance up here to break. If we can break that and go down back again and test it as a support, then we might even bounce even higher than that right now. So I'm super bullish right now on how this is unfolding, especially what Bitcoin is doing and Ethereum and the crypto in general. The fact that the biggest bullish factor for me is actually when Bitcoin is doing fine. Bitcoin actually managed to stay above certain support in the triangle through entire Sunday. We know what kind of Sundays we have in crypto, you know, bloody Sundays and all that. We managed actually to stay up inside the triangle during the Sunday. We were sitting down support at the end of the triangle, and right now we are pumping a little bit up. So I'm pretty... I have a good feeling about this. I have a good feeling. Okay, so you know, feeling is not gonna get us to the target, but it's good to have the good feeling, right? So this actually might go up right now and try to break the 176 line. We can also see some other moving averages up here. You can see here that we are above all of the moving averages on the 4-hourly time frame, and right now we're just waiting for this 10 and 20 moving average to actually push the price to the upside. But super bullish right now. I don't know how I can explain it to you. I don't know how I explain it to you. But it's not super bullish like we are gonna go to the $10 or something like that, or even $2. It's not that kind of bullishness. It's just like we have a chance to get to those levels, because you're looking for signs in any kind of tech analysis. You're looking for the signs of bullishness or bearishness, right? And right now we are looking for signs of bullishness. And the fact that we have managed to stay above the support, the fact that we broke back above all the moving averages, because down here we are below all the moving averages and stuff like that, it just like small pieces of puzzle that's telling you right now that this is good, guys. This is very good. We can go actually hit the 176 line, and if you can break the 176 line and hold the 176 line on the way back, right, if you can hold that, then we might actually pump even higher up. You know, the first goal is of course 176, because that's this top over here, and if you can get above it, that means that we have a higher high. That's an uptrend, right? So that's a good thing. So it is these small things that are actually right now crawling towards upside, but it does look good. It does look good. Now don't take this does look good meaning that we are out of the dump yet, right? Because this can always break to the downside, so you have always to have some kind of stop losses and be careful about what you're doing and all that shebang. But right now it does look nice. So we're gonna go to the daily chart and see what's happening on the daily chart. We're gonna remove some of these moving averages because we don't need them. We're gonna keep these lines and no problem with the lines. And there is some kind of a triangle here. Like this triangle is kind of it's a little bit messy, but I think it's some kind of ascending triangle over here. So this is the best. I mean, maybe there is some kind of better way to draw the triangle, but even this, I don't like, to tell you the truth, I don't like the line. I don't like the line because it's just too steep. These steep lines are not my thing. I would like to go something like this over here, and maybe there is some kind of line over here going over here, something, but I just could not find it. I just couldn't find it. Maybe we can try something over here, see some of these wicks up here, then there probably should be something up there, but then it's not connecting to anything. And then if you try to connect it down here, then it just doesn't work out. So the best thing I found is actually this line over here, but I don't like it because it's just too steep. You see here that we are actually holding the line, even though we have been above it, and right now we are getting again above it and pushing towards the upside, but I just don't quite like. So there might be some other line that I'm not actually seeing, you know, but we won't go into it. We won't go into that. Maybe something like this over here. Let me see. Yeah, okay, let's use this one, but it's not optimal. It's not optimal. Like if we use this wick down here and then these wicks up here, and we are technically like trying to break it. It's just a little sketchy. Just a little sketchy. That's all I can say. It's a little sketchy, but you know, we take what we get. We take what we get. So let's assume that this is some kind of triangle. You can also see that we are getting ending of the triangle. The support held. We held the line, if this is the line, of course. And right now we are bouncing up. We have to get above the 170, but it's only when we get above the top line up here, the resistance up here at 185, that we can, you know, we're gonna see really big moves. But right now we are just trying to take these small wins and continue going up. So let's see how this looks on the daily chart right now. And sorry, this is 4-hourly chart. On daily chart, you can see that we are back above the 10 moving average. Technically we have always been above 10 moving average. You can see here we went down to the 10 or 20 moving average, then went back above the 10, went back above the 10. So all through this we have actually been above all the moving averages on daily. You cannot be bearish on Cardano when every day, when everything is dumping, Cardano is going up. Cardano is going up. And for the ending, let's just see how this looks on the weekly. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Like, you are still holding the 10 moving average, third week in a row. This isn't sign of bearishness. This isn't sign of the bear market, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I know Bitcoin wants to go down, but there's so much bullishness in right now in Cardano. That's insane. That's insane. Anyways, guys, like I said, we have to get above 0.76. Before we get above that, nothing is completed. And if we go below 166, you know, there might be some kind of hard times. Those are the two targets to be watching. But I'm more bullish to the upside than to the downside. That said, subscribe to the channel to watch tomorrow's Cardano video, and also check out the link down below for the technical analysis if you want to learn how to do the things I do every day. Thanks you guys for watching. I appreciate you know, stopping by. You know, hit the like button on the way out, and that's that. Anyways, thanks. See you around. Bye bye.